When you open OmicsBox for the first time, you will be asked to review and accept the license agreements. Next, enter the subscription key you received in your confirmation email when requesting the trial. Click Activate, and once you see the message OmicsBox successfully activated, restart OmicsBox to apply the changes. When OmicsBox restarts, you'll see a sign-in window asking you to continue in your browser. A browser tab will open where you can either sign in with your Google account or with your email and password. If you don't yet have an OmicsBox password, just click Sign Up to create one. Keep in mind, the email you used to request the trial key is not always the same one you need here, so make sure you sign in with the correct account. Once you're signed in, you'll get a confirmation message, the sign-in window will close, and OmicsBox 3.4 will open, fully activated. At this point, you can also download example datasets to try out, which are available here or later through the Help menu. And that's it, you're ready to start exploring all the features of OmicsBox.
Thank you for watching. Learn more about OmicsBox with our other videos.